Welcome to the 3-day weather forecast with Taidi Helen. We experienced overnight into morning thunderstorms and rainfall systems that propagated westward from the eastern flank of the country. These weather systems brought widespread cloud cover, rainfall and gusty winds as they moved across several regions before reaching the western flank of the country in the morning hours. We still have active weather system developing around Adamawa axis. This emerging storm may intensify and produce thunderstorms, rainfall and localized gusty winds with its potential to spread to neighboring areas in the afternoon into evening hours. Places to include Gombe, Bauchi, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Plateau, the Federal Capital Territory, Niger and Kwara states. Thunderstorms are also expected over parts of the inland cities of the south to include parts of Lagos, Delta, Cross River, Rivers and Bayelsa states. While some parts of the north may still experience maximum temperatures of about 41 degrees despite the expected weather activities, this indicates that hot conditions will still persist before the expected storm development, and the north central region down to the south should record lower temperature values of about 29 to 37 degrees Celsius. A moderately calm Tuesday morning is expected across most parts of the country. However, there are still prospects of isolated thunderstorms to parts of Adamawa, Taraba, Benue and Enugu states. As the day progresses, atmospheric conditions are expected to become more favorable for convection, leading to more development of thunderstorms and rainfall over most parts of these regions. Therefore, we expect bulk of these weather activities to affect the coast and the inland cities of the south, to include parts of the central region, places like the Federal Capital Territory, Kwara, Niger, Plateau, extending to parts of Adamawa, Taraba and Kaduna states. Morning thunderstorms are expected over parts of Kaduna, Taraba, the Federal Capital Territory, Niger, Kogi and Benue states, while the rest of the country should be cloudy with spells of sunshine in the morning. Later in the day, we expect these weather activities should intensify and expand, resulting in more widespread thunderstorms and rainfall activities affecting parts of Kebbi, Sokoto, Katsina, Kaduna, Taraba, Adamawa, parts of the central region to include the inland cities of the south, places like Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Lagos, Delta, Edo, Imo, Enugu, Rivers, Cross River and Bayelsa states. Temperatures remains consistently high across the northern region with maximum values of 41 degrees Celsius over Sokoto and Nguru, 40 degrees Celsius over Maiduguri, Kano and Katsina, despite the presence of thunderstorms in this region. Hot conditions are expected to persist, especially in areas with limited rainfall coverage, while the central and the south ranges between 31 and 35 degrees Celsius. And that's what will conclude the 3-day weather forecast. Thank you for watching.